So my next set of jewelry that I am so in love with, I'm loving this jewelry from
Okay, I need a close band.
I ordered these jewelry from a company called, it's a small black owned company called Afrique Boutique. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'll leave their link below. Afrique Boutique, and they make such beautiful jewelry in African symbol, the African map. And they have their name at the back of the jewelry, and in front of it it says made in heaven, assembled in Africa. Isn't that beautiful? Made in heaven, assembled in Africa. Here it is. Made in heaven, assembled in Africa.
Continue.
This is the length. It's kind of long. I wish it also came in 3 hooks so you can adjust it to the length that you want. So I like mine to be something like this. So beautiful and shiny, but it goes this long. But you can always change this. You don't have to use this. I think the main thing is the symbol, the African symbol. And it says made in heaven, assembled in Africa. This one is my favorite. This is the Ghana symbol, Ghana map. It's the shape of Ghana. And it says made in heaven, assembled in Ghana. I love it. I believe you can get the symbol in the map of your country. I know for sure they have Nigeria and other countries, so check it out for your country symbol or map. One is another design with the African map. You see? Alright, so my next set of jewelry that I'm so in love with, I ordered this jewelry that I've been loving from SoulFeel. SoulFeel.com. They make jewelry in any name that you choose. So your first name, your last name, whatever name that you choose. I think it goes up to 12 characters. So up to 12 characters, they can make the jewelry in whatever name that you choose. So this is the jewelry that I ordered. Very dainty and very, very pretty. So with this one, it's Akosia. Of course, my name is Akosia, meaning that I'm born on Sunday. So when you get your jewelry, it comes in a piece of plastic bag like this right here. And so this one, the first one that I have is Akosia. See how lovely and dainty it is? So the first jewelry is this right here is Akosia. That's the first jewelry that I ordered right there. So the next name that I picked, a channel name, and that is the name that I go by, is Ashanti Queen. Right there, Ashanti Queen. So that's another name that I picked for it to be designed. Isn't it so lovely? It's beautiful. Hey, Casper, do it again. Blessed, like I'm blessed. Another thing that is so unique about this jewelry is it has 3 different holes. So like 1, 2, 3. You can either make it very short, medium length, or long. And I like mine. I like to put mine in the 3rd hook to make it short. But if you want to make it longer, this is how long you can, have it. Or if you put it in the 2nd hook, it can go something like this, and the 3rd one is the shortest, so you can have it something like this. So this one is blessed. Have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David. Have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. You're so good to me, and I can't even. So the last one is a cross, and on this cross I have my name Akosia engraved on it, and then the bottom says, actually the top says love, and the bottom is Akusia. So then this is how I feel that Jesus loves me. So love Akusia. This is how it looks.
You always there for me. You said you never leave. Just wanna never mind, never mind. All the things going on in my mind there. Never mind, never mind. Right now, just wanna thank you.
This length, or like I said, you have 3 hooks. So you can make it long. This is the longest, or medium, or short. So however you want it to be, you can just select which hook you want it in. So in love with, I'm loving this jewelry from.
Okay, oh my god, some mosquito bit me.
Mosquito bit you too? My whole body is itchy.
You can walk to me.
And it says made in heaven, assembled in Africa. Ouch. All right. Made in heaven, assembled in Africa.
I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. But you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. But this far, I'm not sorry.
I don't even think this is even healthy. Everybody mad cause I'm getting selfish. Why you really mad? Cause I copped a 2-seater. And it's me, myself, and I, and it's too many people down. I just saw the movie like it's belly ache. I'm too busy eating, got a belly ache. Ooh, I just want my cheese kinda straight. Wait, maybe we can celebrate. I just hit 11 straight. Ayy, I'm a bad man, so I might just go to God. It's a lane poppin', so I might just show my partners. Tell me what you learned from a nigga, what you earned from a nigga. I just grow up, baby, blossom. Yeah, hold on, they ain't ready like they gotta put their clothes on. It's the best time of my life, cause a nigga was depressed, but now I'm living right, yeah.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry.